we have arrested total 4 constables so far. They were found involved in the supply of drugs because they themselves are the drug addicts. So, to overcome this problem, we have sought the assistance of qualified counselor, and some counseling sessions were organized for those policemen who have resorted to heavy drinkings and they are prone to be lured by the drug trafficking. And secondly, to overcome this problem, we are concentrating more on the PT, parade, sports, and other physical exercise so that their BMIs and other things.
Sir, when you are talking about this bike
Reference also. So these are the general modus operandi we have noted, and most of the couriers belong to the state of Meghalaya, either the drug addict themselves or those who are indulging in the supply business, because it generates huge amount of money. So once they are in this business, it is difficult for them to come out and greed overpower.